In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello, 5 minutes. Trello is a simple visual tool for organizing projects, tasks, and ideas. We'll start from a blank account and build a clean, trackable workflow you can use right away. First, head to the Trello website. If you're new, sign up for a free account. If you've used it before, just log in. Once you're in, look for the Create New Board button. This is your project hub. Give your board a clear, descriptive name so everyone instantly understands its purpose, like marketing plan, home renovation, or Sprint 12. Before creating the board, choose your visibility settings. For personal projects, private is usually best. For a team, choose a workspace option so colleagues can access it. You can adjust this later if your needs change. A Trello board is made up of lists and cards. Think of lists as stages in your process and cards as the individual tasks moving through those stages. You can name your lists anything you like. Many people start with to do, in progress, and completed because it mirrors the way work naturally flows. If you're managing content, try ideas, research, writing, editing, and ready for publishing. Don't overthink it. You can always refine names as you go, and you can drag and drop lists to rearrange their order. Now add cards to bring your board to life. Cards are the building blocks. Each one represents a task, note, or idea. Click Add a card at the bottom of any list and type a short, action-oriented title like Draft Intro Copy or Finalize Budget. As work moves forward, drag cards from one list to the next. That motion is the heart of Trello. Progress is always visible at a glance. Clicking a card opens the card back, where you'll add rich detail and collaborate. Use the description to clarify scope, requirements, or links to relevant resources. Break big tasks into smaller steps with checklists. Checking items off keeps momentum visible. Add due dates, so deadlines are clear and reminders help you stay on schedule. Apply color-coded labels to categorize by priority, type of work, or team. Attach files, links, or images so everything lives in one place. And use comments to communicate right on the card, keeping context tied to the work. That's it. Create a board, define lists, add cards, and move them as work progresses. With a few minutes of setup, you get a reliable system that makes projects easier to start, track, and finish.